Hey home bakers, ready to bake some magic? Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate peanut butter blossoms. These cookies are a classic, soft, chewy peanut butter goodness with a sweet chocolate kiss in the center, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, plus extra for rolling, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 24 chocolate kisses unwrapped. Got everything? Great! Now let's dive into the recipe. First up, we need to prepare the dough. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and peanut butter until it's smooth and fluffy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes with an electric mixer. Next, add the egg and vanilla extract, mixing until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until a soft dough forms. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and chill the dough in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. This will make it much easier to handle. While the dough chills, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Pour some granulated sugar into a shallow dish for rolling. Once the dough is chilled, it's time to shape the cookies. Scoop out small portions of dough, about 1 tablespoon each, and roll them into balls. Roll each ball in the granulated sugar to coat. Place the sugared dough balls on the prepared baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches of space between each. Now, bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are just starting to puff and lightly crack on top. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and immediately press a chocolate kiss into the center of each cookie. The cookie will crack slightly around the edges as you do this. Don't worry, that's exactly what we want. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. A few tips for you. Make sure your butter is soft, but not melted for the perfect texture. Don't overbake the cookies. They should remain soft. And store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep them fresh. These peanut butter blossoms are not just for holidays. They're perfect anytime you need a sweet treat. Thanks for baking with me today. Enjoy your delicious cookies and happy baking. See you next time.